Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. I hope you are doing well. In this video I want to show you how I sow cucumbers on seedlings. I grow cucumbers every year. I always have plenty both in the greenhouse and in the open ground. In a greenhouse, cucumbers give a bigger harvest and the fruits ripen until late fall. Cucumbers in the open ground, unfortunately, live less, but they are tastier. Let's do a cucumber sowing together. Cucumbers are vegetable from the pumpkin family. They like warm, light and moisture. The best air temperature for the growth and cultivation of cucumbers is 17.7 to 18.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Soil temperature is 68 to 17.7 degrees Fahrenheit. You can grow cucumber seedling. You can also sow cucumber seeds directly into the soil. I am preparing cucumber seeds to grow seedling. I will grow cucumber in the greenhouse. If you will grow cucumber in the greenhouse, you must first grow seedling in a garden pot. For each garden pot, I use 1 cucumber seeds. The pot volume for quality cucumber seedling development should be at least 17 ounces or half a liter. To grow cucumbers in the open ground, you should use at least 2 to 3 seeds in each hole in the soil or in each pot. Cucumber seeds can be pre-germinated. To do this, I soak the seeds first in an aqueous solution of potassium permanganate. This means disinfects the seeds, kills pathogens on the surface of the seeds. The period of disinfection is 2 hours. Then you need to wash the cucumber seeds with warm water and put them in a hermetic package in a warm place. After 1 to 2 days, you have sprouted cucumber seeds if the seeds are quality and fresh. However, this time I have cucumber seeds that are coated with special growth enzymes and fungicides. Therefore, they do not need disinfection and pre-germination. Such seeds can be sown immediately in garden pots or in warm soil. That's what I'm going to do. These are 17-ounce garden pots. Here is the substrate for sowing cucumber seeds. It is neutralized fine peat and 10% agroperlite added. Agroperlite is great at keeping moisture and keeping the soil breathable. Now I will moisten the substrate with an aqueous solution of Bacillus subtilis and make small holes for planting cucumber seeds. The planting depth of the cucumber seeds is about half an inch, no more. Next step, you need to moisten the soil well with warm water. Cover with plastic wrap for a greenhouse effect and place the potted seeds in a warm place. The optimum temperature for cucumber seeds to germinate is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have cucumber seeds in 2 days did not show the first sprouts, you need to reduce the temperature should be 2 degrees and wait for the manifestation of sprouts. Look, I have cucumber seeds sprouted. It took only 2 days from the moment of sowing. This is very fast. The seeds are of high quality. Step number 3. This is the most important moment. You need to provide the right temperature regime for growing cucumber seedlings. The first week of growing seedlings is very important. You need to keep the air temperature at 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 60 to 63 degrees Fahrenheit at night. This will help prevent the legs of the cucumber seedlings from falling out. Then, after 7 days, I will change the temperature. I need warmer growing conditions, 75 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 68 to 73 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Such temperature conditions should be kept for cucumber seedling until the moment of transplanting into the soil. It is also necessary to organize quality lighting for at least 12 to 14 hours so that the seedling does not have long legs. As soon as the plant creates 3 to 4 true leaves, it is ready to go to the permanent place of cultivation. Usually, cucumber seedlings grow in pots for 20 to 25 days. About what care is needed for cucumber seedling during this period, I will tell you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to give a thumbs up below this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!